Welcome back, friends. Today's episode of Useless Information is going to be on what makes us yawn. Is boredom really a bad thing? Well, let's find out. Some people think that yawning is caused by boredom, while others theorize that we yawn because we need to stretch our neck muscles. Okay. However, most authorities agree that yawning is simply a way for the body to compensate for less oxygen in the bloodstream. Every cell in our body needs a continual supply of oxygen. When we breathe normally, we take air into our lungs, which pass the oxygen to the blood so that oxygen can be carried throughout our body. When we exhale, we get rid of the waste product, carbon dioxide. If we are tired, bored, or sitting in a stuffy room, we tend to breathe more slowly than normal, and our body doesn't get all the oxygen it needs. Because we also are not getting rid of the carbon dioxide, it builds up in our body, in our blood. Our brain senses this and quickly sends a signal to the lungs to take an extra deep breath. This extra deep breath is called a yawn. When we yawn, we always open our mouths. That's because you can breathe in much more air through your mouth than through your nose. The air isn't as clean because it's not filtered through your nose. But a yawn is designed to take in a lot of air quickly, clean or not. Although we usually yawn because we are bored or tired, people may also yawn when they're very excited because they need more oxygen to remain attentive. We aren't the only creatures who yawn. Animals also yawn for the same reason as we do. Watch how a dog or a cat takes a big yawn before taking a nap. If you want to avoid yawning, you should take deep breaths whenever you feel a yawn starting. Sitting comfortably so that the oxygen can easily flow through your body, or chewing gum to stimulate your mouth muscles can also prevent yawning. The importance of oxygen in our well being is easily shown by Rule of Four, which states that before permanent damage will occur to our body, we can live 4 weeks without food, 4 days without water, and 4 minutes without air. Yawning a lot at work is not unusual because so many of today's offices use recirculating heating and cooling systems, and oxygen can be easily depleted over time. Scientists estimate that in the past 300 years, the United States has lost 11% of the available oxygen in the air because we have destroyed so much oxygen producing vegetation. Although we know what causes yawning and how to prevent it, there is one thing, one question that no one has yet satisfactorily answered. Why is yawning contagious? Well, my friends, if you can find out why it's contagious, leave me a comment. Until next time.